Hey guys, Brian here. Welcome back to the channel, and let's talk about Nvidia because earnings is coming up. And what plays did I just do? So if you joined the Clock Out Capital Discord, you would saw that I put a cash secured put out for 129, and I got like 200 something bucks for it, and that is my play for the week for Nvidia because I got out of a lot of margin plays for Tesla, and I've moved a lot of my capital onto Nvidia and Palantir. So let's jump on my desktop and show you what I am going to do. So this is Robinhood. It just looks better than Fidelity in my opinion, and I don't have to blur out all my account numbers. That's why I'm showing it from here. So I chose 129. At the time of writing it, I got like 200 bucks for it. And right now the delta is 34% that it drops down to here, which is fine because I feel like it'd be at a huge discount at 129. And say if it did go below it, which is perfectly fine, then next week I'd get to do a covered call. And because earnings is coming up, I do believe that earnings is going to be pretty good because the last earnings was great, and for some reason they still, like, the stock didn't really move because it's expected out of Nvidia. And also with the whole DeepSeek stuff, saying $6 million is all they needed to make like a chat GPT, total fake news. So it's like Nvidia is still going to be here. A lot of companies, Mag 7, they're all going to be a part of the AI revolution, and they all need Nvidia chips. And where we dropped from before all the way to now, remember, it dropped down to 107, 108 at one point, or 1 teens. I might be mixing that up with AMD, but we dropped to pretty freaking low, and a lot of people made a lot of money on the way back up to 130s. And I believe that this will end up being 150s, $200 stock by the end of the year. And just doing the wheel strategy, you get to capture all this premium weekly, monthly, however you like playing, as well as appreciation. And then also Nvidia also gives dividends, so you get a triple dip on the stock if you hold it a long time. So with February 14 sell put, you can still get 125 bucks if you did it now. I'm recording this at Wednesday night, so you'd still get 125 bucks. And if it went below it, then you'd just be on the covered call side. And then next week, we wouldn't be able to, because the prices are static right now, you wouldn't really be able to see how much money you're really going to make. But say you had it where the share price is right now at 130.99, then you could sell a call for the end of the week. And if you just wanted a few bucks of appreciation, like $3 to equal out $300 of appreciation if it went past it, you could also get $300 of premium as well. And that's amazing because I personally don't want to cap my upside because earnings will be happen on the 24th, I believe. And I don't want to cap my upside on it. I don't want to have to be super deep in the money if it rocket ships way up. So I'd rather have the stocks free and clear if my strike price doesn't get hit by Friday, February 21 at 133 bucks. So you just keep doing this over and over again, getting like 300 bucks every week. Or some people like to do monthlies. Let's just do a calculator real quick. Let's just hypothetically say you're able to do 300 bucks every week per Nvidia. You'd make around 15,600 bucks a year doing this. And that's just with one contract. And that's the beauty of the wheel strategy. And say we just want to do this monthly, it's like 30 days out. Sell put. Let's go to 127. No, let's be a little bit more conservative and do the like a 30 delta, 122, right? 30 delta, 470 bucks. So imagine if you're just on the put side, 470 bucks times 12. Not bad too. 5,640 bucks a year just doing this monthly. So obviously you get more premium if you do it weekly. And I personally like to do weeklies for a lot of my wheel strategy, just because I like being as active as possible. But if you want to be more passive, just do these monthlies. Guaranteed income. You'll get a little bit lower premium, but you're still making thousands of bucks a year. And it's nothing to scoff at, guys. This is exactly what I do every month, every week, doing these option type plays. And this is what makes my portfolio grow. And for me, I specifically use like 4 or 5 specific stocks, and I just keep it at that unless I really get like really deep dive into another one. For me, it's Tesla, Nvda, Palantir, and I like mix between like Coinbase, AMD, Google, whatever it may be. I usually just like rotate between those. And for like really small stocks, I do a lot of Riot, American Airlines, and Sofi. So those are the ones that I'm personally using. And this is what I'm currently doing with my portfolio. And let me know what you guys think. Obviously, none of this is financial advice. This is the strategy that I was able to double my portfolio in a year. And I hope that you guys can do the same, especially with the type of volatile market we're in. There's going to be a lot of ups and downs, but I do believe 2025 is going to be a very good year. And with the volatility comes bigger premiums. Obviously, don't premium chase, but if you're doing it with certain stocks that you wholeheartedly love and follow, you should win. And again, not financial advice, but I hope you guys learned something. Let me know what you guys think about this strategy. This is the one that I personally love doing. And let's get rich together, guys. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys very soon. Peace.